My name is Roland Moore and I'm going to demonstrate the CRMAddins Email Marketing Response Manager from Microsoft Dynamics CRM 2011 and Microsoft Dynamics CRM 4. The Email Marketing Response Manager is very easy to use, just 6 simple steps, and you can actually be updating information from a range of email marketing tools directly into your Microsoft Dynamics CRM system. There are no complex setups, no integrations, just run the program, install it on a PC, take the data files, CSV, Excel files that most email marketing tools can supply to you for people who've opened emails, people who've clicked through, and people who've opted out, and emails that have bounced. Have those files ready. Use the Email Marketing Response Manager to upload that data into Microsoft Dynamics CRM for you. There are 3 areas that we'll look at during the demonstration. The first area will be looking at campaign responses. Here we browse to find the file, for example, and I've got an example here of one where we have people who have opened an email, and for those people we're going to create a campaign response. We're going to search across accounts, contacts and leads. We could actually limit that to one of those. We're going to say the channel is email, and here we see that we're picking up the values directly from the CRM system. We have the response code, the people are interested. We can actually pick up the campaign that we want to link the campaign responses to, give them a priority. Give the campaign response a brief subject, so we might have here opened email. And what we can also do, other than just having the activities going through to the person who's responsible for the account, contact or lead, we could select an alternate owner and have all the campaign responses being allocated over to them for processing. This could be someone in a telemarketing or a telesales environment whereby you want the follow-ups being done promptly. I'll leave that for the moment, and what we'll just do is process those. So that's processed my file. I can go and check a log file, see if there have been any problems with the process. It tells me here in a log of transactions that have gone through. It gives me the ones that have failed in red. This one is because the first row has just email in the column where the email address is found. If we then go over to CRM and have a look at our campaign that we've just done the campaign responses for, so we'll work our way through. The campaign was a new customer loyalty program, and what we'll find is by going into the campaign responses here that those responses have been created. So very easily and very quickly we've created campaign responses that we can now use to do follow-up telemarketing and see if people were interested in whatever we were telling them about. If we then go over to the system again, what we can now do is actually look at how we would process bounced emails. The bounced emails will probably create a task and ask someone to ring the person up and either get the correct email address or find out who may have replaced that person. So in this instance we will check across accounts, contacts and leads, but we will not trigger the flag for unsubscribing people at the moment. We'll show you how that works. We browse through, find our file. Again, very quickly here we've got one of bounced emails. What we're going to do, we're going to just put a quick note in here. This goes into the CRM system, so a little bit of an audit trail. So I've just got here a note that actually the email bounced. What we can also do is create a task. So what we could have here is, for example, exactly the same heading, maybe a few other words in the task subject for someone who might be going off to do the data cleansing, so bringing people up. We could set that task to be due for tomorrow. Again, we have the option for selecting an alternate owner. And all we do then is just process the file. And what we'll find is that as we go through and have a look, we'll see that the records have been updated and that we have information there relating to people who have bounced emails, and we can see that in just a moment. So going over to one of the records that we've updated, we can have a quick look here. Have a look at this one. And what we're looking for is to see if a brief line's been added to the description, and here we have that we've got that the email has bounced. And if we go into the activities, here we have also that the email was bounced, and here's our campaign response associated to the email of the person. So we can start seeing all the records appearing here from that side of things. What we can now do is actually go through and have a look at people that are unsubscribing. So I'll just clear the form down. We're actually going to set this to do not bulk email because we want to notify us that someone has unsubscribed. What we're basically doing here is taking our email marketing solution feedback from bounced emails and bringing our CRM system into compliance and updating it with those emails that have bounced for people that don't want to hear any more from us at this particular time. So what we'll do, we just go to browse for the file for bounced emails. Unsubscribed emails, and here we have the ones that have unsubscribed. We've just got a quick note here that, for example, unsubscribed. We could set a task up if we wanted to. We've seen that work already, so I'm going to miss that. And all we're going to do is go through and process. Again, we can have the option of looking at our log file. We can see which ones haven't worked. What we can now do is, if we just refresh the screen for this particular person, because I know that they're in that list there, and once that's happened, we'll go through and have a look at their preferences. We'll actually be able to see that the email has been up, and here we can see that the update has taken place that says that we do not allow bulk emails to be sent to this person anymore, and here we also have that we can see that they've unsubscribed on this date. So you can see, very simple, very quick and easy to use, very effective, works with any email marketing tool that can output data to a CSV file, overcomes all the issues of expensive integration to try and get email responses coming back into your CRM system. Licensed at just £249, install it on a PC, use that PC for processing all your marketing responses, and you have your CRM system up and running and up to date. We do offer a free trial, so if you'd like to request a free trial, please go to the website or send an email to info@crmadd-ins.co.uk. Just ask for the free trial, or just go to the website and use our correspondence responder there. We can get the free trial set up for you. The free trial process is just 10 records, gives you a chance to try everything out and see it working on your system. If you like it, then just give us a call or drop us an email and a full version gets sent out to you. Thank you very much indeed for your time.